take a look at this for a second. We've got a rectangle, and inside it, 4 triangles. 3 of them are easy. Their areas are 4, 5, and 9. But that green one in the middle, that's the real question. At first, it looks confusing, right? Like, where do we even start? But once you see the trick, it becomes very clean. Let's label the rectangle. Call the top side A and the vertical side B. So the total area of the rectangle is A times B. Let's call that capital A. Now look at the triangle with area 5. We know the formula. Area equals half times base times height. If the height is B, then the base must be something that gives area 5. So we write half times base times B equals 5. From this, the base becomes 10 over B. Now do the same for the triangle with area 9. This time, the side along the top is A. So we get half times A times height equals 9. That gives us height equals 18 over A. Now comes the important part. Look at the triangle with area 4 on the left. Its full height is not B anymore. We already used part of it, which is 18 over A. So the remaining height is B minus 18 over A. Same idea for the base. The full length is A, but we remove 10 over B. So the base becomes A minus 10 over B. Now apply the triangle formula again. So we get 4 equals half times A minus 10 over B times B minus 18 over A. Multiply both sides by 2, we get 8 equals A minus 10 over B times B minus 18 over A. Now, instead of dealing with fractions, notice something important. A times B keeps appearing again and again. So let's call it capital A. After simplifying, we get 8 equals A minus 10 times A minus 18 divided by A. Now multiply both sides by A, we get 8A equals A minus 10 times A minus 18. Now expand it slowly. A times A is A squared, then minus 18A minus 10A. That becomes minus 28A. And finally, minus 10 times minus 18 is plus 180. So we get 8a equals a squared minus 28a plus 180. Now bring 8a to the other side. We get a squared minus 36a plus 180 equals 0. Now factor this. We need two numbers that multiply to 180 and add up to 36. Those numbers are 30 and 6. So we get a minus 30 times a minus 6 equals 0. So a is either 6 or 30. But wait, the three triangles already add up to 18. So the total area cannot be 6. That means a equals 30. Now the final step. Take the total area, 30, subtract 4, subtract 5, subtract 9, we get 12. So the area of the green triangle is 12. Pretty satisfying.